Isabel is really stepping up her art game, so we're introducing her to Mike Nunez, who is the Chief Communications Officer of Incfile, so she can incorporate and actually build a real business.
Why we are here is so that you can focus on things like your art and take all the tedious work and put it aside. Let us take care of that on your behalf. So there's a couple different types of corporations. Almost everybody is most likely going to use what's called a limited liability corporation. All right, so when you're starting your business and you go to incfile.com, all you got to do is click on Start My Business. Now, the actual state of California charges $75 to actually conduct the incorporation. Of course, for you, Isabel, we're going to go ahead and get you the platinum package. And then you just fill out some pretty basic information like your name, email, your mailing address.
This is so cool.
When it's saving you so much time.
Yeah. So one question, what tax breaks would someone like me gain by having an LLC?
It's not necessarily tax breaks. If you have legitimate expenses for your business, you should write those off. So for example, to create one of your pieces of art, if it costs you $5 for the materials and you sell it for $15, well, your profit really is only that $10. You shouldn't be taxed on the entire amount. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
The bigger benefit is the liability protection. You will have the protection of the LLC that they hired and paid to do that versus Isabel the person. You have this shield of an LLC in front of you.
Thank you so much. I really do appreciate this.
That was the coolest thing ever. Incfile is gonna help me legitimize my art business and they're gonna make it so easy for me. Oh my God.